So, what I want to know is how many people canceled plans to come out to Venice Beach because the fucking weatherman said it was gonna rain like a whole bunch of hours or whatever. You know what? What did it do? Rain last night? Look at how the ground is dry. Look how many people are out here today that found out that the rain lasted such a short time. Look at that beauty. And all you people are missing it because you decided to believe the weatherman instead of listening to me. Don't forget, it only rains an average of 11 days in Southern California per year. So I always tell people that it's not going to rain, and I'm right probably 90% of the time. Look at that. Look how few people are at the skate park today. And look how beautiful the area is. Oh well, more enjoyment for me. I might as well shoot a video. I don't know why I'm so tired. I haven't been riding my bike so long today. But she's feeling good. Oh, I didn't get her. Anyway, here's a Saturday in Venice when probably half the people if you stay away from people, you don't need to wear a mask. That's why I'm not wearing one. But if you come around me, I hope you have a mask on, and I'll put mine on. If you respect me, I'll respect you. Damn, that's so beautiful. Alright, I gotta listen to my music, and my Bluetooth obviously won't work if I'm videotaping. So, have a pleasant Saturday. Too bad you're not here. And I'll talk to you another time. Bye.